Hey friends, it's Lola here today, and yes, I'm the one from the profile picture down below. I'm actually standing in for Keezy today because he didn't feel like getting on camera. So I got all dolled up. Get it? Because I'm a dog. Okay, alright, tough crowd. So today I'm going to announce the giveaway winners. Keezy wants to thank everybody for all of their comments. We really enjoyed learning about your dolls and what they mean to you. I don't want to keep you guys waiting, so let's go ahead and announce the winners of the giveaway. I was actually supposed to have a card somewhere with the winners on it, but I must have misplaced it. I swear, I'd lose my head if it wasn't attached to a neck peg. Literally. Now, without further ado, here are the winners of the giveaway. Winner number 1 is Fiona. Winner number 2 is the.fame.ghouls4015. Winner number 3 is Abigail130. Congratulations to all the winners. You will be contacted via comment on the last video. We want to thank everybody who entered the giveaway. Keezy also wants me to remind you guys that there will be lots more giveaways in the future, so if you didn't win this time, please stay tuned. But that's all for me, guys. I'm gonna give it back to Keezy to start the restyle. Thank you, Lola, for that lovely handoff. So today I will be styling Tiara Song from the Royal 3. I actually did a video for Minnie and Tessa, but Tiara never got one, so that's what we're doing today. I actually picked up a second one. Well, this is my third one because one of them is going to you guys. But I actually picked up this variant tiara from Target. I saw her on the shelf and was like, this one looks way different from the one that I have. And yeah, she just has more subtle makeup. She doesn't have as heavy makeup on the bottom, and her lip is a completely different color, which you can see in the previous clips as well. But yeah, we're going to be restyling her today. Of course, I'm going to start by washing Tiara's hair and then giving her a little bit of conditioner right afterwards. So, fun fact, but not really so fun fact. My original tiara, the reason why I wanted a second one was because, I mean, I like having second dolls because, you know, they come with a second outfit. But not only that, but my original tiaras, her hair did that horrible thing that always happens to me, I feel like, where it just fries at the end. So after I washed my original one, her hair like shriveled up and fried, and yeah, I needed a new one. Do I need a new one? Probably not. But yeah, I bought another one. But again, when I saw her in Target, I noticed that the face was a lot different from my original one. This one is actually an international box one. I don't know if they come from different factories. I would imagine that they do. And additionally, my original one is actually from Walmart. So sometimes I feel like certain stores have better quality control than others. Maybe I'm just imagining that, but I feel like Target gets better dolls sometimes. It kind of depends. When I go shopping, I love to look for variants. I feel like, especially if you're going to get a second doll, you want it to look a little bit different from your original one. And I definitely think I achieved that because, again, this one has a lot lighter lips. The lines on the face up are a lot lighter and a lot finer. I don't know if it's just because it's a later batch, but yeah, I like this one so much more than my original one. So yeah. So as you can see, I'm going to give Tiara a boil wash. I'm just pouring the water over the head versus dunking it in a bowl, just because I don't want to risk the chance of the hair shriveling up again. I feel like for some reason when you dunk the hair, it encourages it to shrivel up because of course you're submerging the hair from the ends versus pouring the water over the top of the head. Hopefully that makes sense to you guys. I wanted to show you guys the difference between their hair. So on the left is my original one. Of course, you can see kind of how the hair is a little scraggly towards the ends. And then on my new one, you can see how much sleeker the hair is. It's so much nicer, so much softer, and a lot more shiny. And because of that, this restyle actually is going to be super duper simple. I had this intricate hairstyle that I wanted to give her, but once I saw how straight her hair was and just how nice and silky it was, I didn't want to interrupt that by doing a whole bunch of different things to it. So all I'm doing is just bumping the hair on the ends with my flat iron. I actually did this exact same method on my Roxy Grand video, and that's honestly all I'm going to do. And I just wanted to keep it super simple for you guys. So in a second, we'll take a look at the very final result. Alright friends, and that is all for today. I know it was a short one, but yeah, I mean that's honestly sometimes how I do my doll restyles. Sometimes I don't do anything too revolutionary. I did add 2 side braids on her hair just to give it a little bit more interesting of a look. Braids are pretty easy, so I didn't show it on camera. But what do you guys think of this restyle? Was it too short for you? You can let me know that down in the comments below. But if you did like the video, of course, give it a thumbs up. And also, if you feel so inclined, please hit that subscribe button down below. But we may do another video this week, but if not, I want to tell you guys happy holidays, and I will see you, I don't know, when I see you. Bye. Peace.